Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video you will learn how to get floating keyboard, how to set floating keyboard in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. First of all, go to the typing interface. And see here, this is the keyboard. This is fixed keyboard. If you would like to use floating keyboard, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to this three vertical horizontal dots and go to floating keyboard, and this is the floating keyboard. See here, this is floating keyboard. Okay, hereafter keyboard will be like this. See here, if you would like to change back to the fixed keyboard, again you go to this three horizontal dots and go to fixed keyboard. Okay, this is fixed keyboard now. So in this way you can easily switch between floating keyboard and fixed keyboard in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.